Good morning. Actually, it's probably closer to noon by now. I slept in a little bit today. Night shift is really messing up my sleep schedule, so today's my first day off. I got up, had my coffee, the usual. Now I'm just out letting my dog run around at the park. He's over there playing in the it's like a little creek area over there. I don't know, today's not going to be anything really special. I have another dentist appointment. I know I did a video saying I had a dentist appointment last week, but yeah, I have another dentist appointment. My dentist is near Costco, so I'll probably go to Costco. I'm just gonna film what I eat in a day video today, so come along with me for my day. My dog loves rocks, so he is currently in rock heaven. What are you doing? What do you got? Oh, he's got a giant rock. You're gonna hurt yourself. What did you get? You got a rock? Are you a happy boy? Oh. So he doesn't want to leave his rock. So Dexter, you can't carry that everywhere. You're gonna hurt yourself. Oh my God, dog. You're a nut. Pretty out, you guys. Honestly, it's so nice to have some sunshine. We've had rain for the last few days. I don't know if you can see the horses over there and the tractor. There's a little farm right next to the park that we go to, so we always come and say hi to the horses on our way home. Alright, so I'm back from my walk and I'm about to go upstairs and get ready, but I thought I would show you. I'm just gonna munch on a piece of coconut. Looks like someone took a bite of that one, but anyways, I was gonna have this piece of coconut. I got this at Whole Foods the other day. So delicious. I'm gonna have this and a big glass of water and then go get ready, and then after that I'll come down and figure something out to eat before I head off to the dentist. Alright guys, so I'm home and I'm freshened up and ready to get going here pretty quick. So I'm just gonna have a bite to eat. So I just thought I'd show you what I'm going to eat. So I have some salami, some cheese, cucumber, and then that dip right there, that's Asiago, artichoke Asiago dip, and it is super good and it's very low in carbs. Actually, let's just go over here and see. It is carbs 1 gram per 2 tablespoons of carbs, 0 sugar. So that's pretty awesome. Actually, I think I'll probably pick up some more of this today if they have similar at Costco. Yeah, it's really yummy. I actually dip the cucumber in there as well as like the meat and cheese dipped in there is really good too. So I'm gonna snack on that and then I'm gonna get going. All right, guys, so my face is frozen. I just got work done on my front 2 teeth, and then she's gonna fix this side next and try to close that gap. I don't like my teeth much, so it's nice to be getting some of that work done. I'm in the parking lot at Costco and I'm feeling in the mood to shop, which is rare for me. So I'm hoping to find a few Christmas things. I'd really like some little Christmassy plants to put outside of my house, maybe some lights, I don't know, but we'll see how busy it is in there. Hopefully I can take you with me for a little bit of it, and yeah, we'll see what we get. And I'm not eating anything for a while because, like I said, like my nose, I'm frozen all up here. So I'm just sipping on my water. And then when I get home, I'll eat something. So let's go shopping. Oh my gosh, you guys, I went into Costco. Beautiful day. I came out and it's absolutely pouring rain out. I don't know if you can see. I went a little crazy on the Christmas stuff. You know when it's like you get that first day where you find yourself in the Christmas spirit, and that happened to me today, and have to be really careful on that day because I can tend to go out and spend way too much money, which I did. I just spent like $420 at Costco on food and a bunch of little Christmas decorations, which I'm kind of excited about. I've been wanting to get a few new things, so I will show you what I got when I get home. I think the drive home is going to be a bit of a nightmare. It's pouring rain. It's 5:15. We shall see, but I'll see you when I get there. All right, guys, so I'm back home. I made it home. It was a bit of a crazy drive, but we are here, and it's absolutely pouring rain outside. So I thought I would quickly go over everything I got at Costco today. As I've told you before, when I shop at Costco, it's for the family, not just myself. So it's not only keto foods, but a lot of this is. So we'll just go over everything really quickly here. I found these. I'd never seen them there before. These are like my favorite olives, 0 carbs. So I bought those. I thought even if I don't eat them all, those are perfect to have around for the Christmas season. This was like $7 off, so I scooped that up. And that was like, I think it was like $17, which is, it's massive, and that'll last through Christmas too. So I got that. This double smoked Balderson cheese was also on sale. I don't remember exactly for how much, but all these things I was just thinking, you know, it's really good. They'll last through the Christmas season. So even if I don't eat them or the family doesn't, to have them around for when we have company over or Christmas Day when we have open house, lots of meats and cheeses is always good to have on hand, right? This is awesome. Assorted gourmet salami. We'll probably eat that before Christmas, but same sort of reasoning to just have it in the house. I was out of sour cream and almost out of cream cheese. Those are 2 big staples in my house these days, so I got some of those. I got 2 rotisserie chickens. We may eat a little bit tonight. Mostly it's for making casseroles and also, oh, what else? I just lost my train of thought. Because I like to make chicken salad. My son and I eat that, so I'll add like mayo, onion, celery, some seasoning to that, and then we'll have it for, my son will have it for sandwiches, and I'll just eat it out of the bowl pretty much. Kids and husband like cranberry juice. I got this Montreal chicken spice, so I haven't bought that one before, but I think that looks good. I got this big old bag of buns. I like this because I just throw it in the freezer, and then we have it on hand for when the kids need it for their lunches or whatever. If I make chili for dinner, we just take a few out to thaw them. It's easy, and they keep well in the freezer. I got this ham. It was on for $13. I thought it looked really good. I've been using ham a lot in casseroles, soups, that kind of thing. So I don't know. I It's not something, I don't even think I've bought this one before, but yeah, it looked good to me today. These are my favorite pepperonis. They're a little bit pricey. It's like $14. Mind you get 2 big packs and they're super flavorful. And I'm planned to take some of this cheese that we bought and cut up some of this meat and have it on hand all ready to go for quick things to grab for snacks or lunches or whatever. More bacon. Can never have too much bacon. Okay, so veggies. I got the usual suspects: cauliflower, tomatoes. My son loves tomatoes and we eat them in our salads all the time. Broccoli. I got oranges for the family for their lunches. We got some Cliff Bars. That's also for the family. I won't eat those. I got these. It's a bigger bag than I usually buy. I've said before, I have kids that really love chips and salsa, but tonight I'm gonna use my leftover keto chili with cream cheese and shredded cheese and make like a chili dip. That's gonna be my fancy dinner tonight. So I got a big bag of those. The kids can eat that, and I'm gonna use wisps for my dip. I have some left, so I didn't buy any today. Big old thing, this was on sale. Big old thing of paper towel. Definitely needed some paper towel. Been out for a while, so I was glad I got that, and it was on sale. This was also on sale, Colgate, needed some of that. I've told you before, my husband takes yogurt pretty much every day to work. So we got some yogurt and some shredded cheese. I already have a big thing of mozzarella shredded cheese in the fridge that I just bought, but we'll go through this so quick, and I thought the Tex-Mex would be better for the chili dip that I'm gonna make tonight. I also bought these. So this weekend, my girlfriend does, like, she's amazing. She does card making classes. So we're going to make a bunch of Christmas cards. And I don't have to pay anything to go. Just bring something to donate to a local recovery house. And that, yeah, so I don't have to pay. So this is going to be part of what I bring to donate for the card class. So that's my big Costco haul. Now, the fun stuff. Let's look at what I got for Christmas stuff. This is what made it a little pricier, obviously. This was like $60. I mean, they're fairly big. I think I'm gonna see if they can go right next to my door outside, or I might get a little table and prop them up on my porch. But yeah, I've really been wanting to get some nicer things for my outdoor decorations. I almost bought one of those beautiful wreaths that we saw, but I have a wreath and I might just, I don't know, add some stuff to it to fancy it up. We'll see. But yeah, I couldn't resist. I thought $60 for this. I'll use them every year. They were really nice. These were on sale. So I think in here are 3 packs of the After Eights, and I always like to buy stuff like this when it's on sale, and then I have it on hand for when I need to grab a quick gift, or I have like parties that I'm going to where you got to bring a gift for like a gift game or whatever, and I'll maybe, you know, put one of these with like a gift card or something. I think that's a really nice gift. And actually, I think I may give one of these also for when I go make the cards as the donation. I might do that too. I may open it, and because there's 3 boxes inside, maybe take out 2 boxes. So chocolates and socks, I think, is nice. I bought this, talking about decorating up, like making my wreath a little nicer that I have in the garage. I haven't taken it out yet. These are little strands of lights, and I thought I could put those on my wreath, and then it would light up, and I thought that might be pretty. If not, I'll find, there's like 4 strands, so I'm sure I'll use maybe 1 or 2 on a wreath, and then the other ones, maybe I'll do something like on the box. I don't know. I like them. They look cool. This was like $11 for 16 gift bags. I'm always looking for gift bags, and I thought, you know what? To spend $11 now and have the gift bags on hand, then I'm not running into the loony store or wherever and spending $2 on a bag. I got these for like, gosh, I don't even know. You do the math. I'm not good at math, but well under $1 a bag. So I thought that was good. And then I got these babies. Those are gonna go outside. I have like big balls like this that light up that I hang out on my front porch, and then those will like go in between those. We'll hang these as well. I thought they were super cool. They weren't that expensive. So that's all my Christmas stuff. So I'm excited. So I'm gonna put all these groceries away, and then I'm gonna get to making my dip, and I'll show you how I make it. It's super simple, and Yeah, I'll show you once I get this all put away. Finished putting my groceries away, and I just thought I'd show you. I couldn't resist. I'm just having a little snacking on this, and then I'm gonna get dinner going here pretty quick. All right, guys, so this is all we're gonna need for our chili dip. So I have leftover chili in there from last night. So basically we're just gonna do a layer of cream cheese on the bottom of this. Then we're gonna layer it with chili. Then we're gonna cover it with shredded cheese and add some green onions on top and put it in the oven, let it all melt, and we'll serve it with some of those chips that are over there. And I'll have it with wisps. And then I really don't feel like cooking. That's as fancy as it's gonna get tonight, but I'm also gonna cut up some of these, serve some of these with some dip, and dinner is done. Guys, I'm gonna improvise a little bit here, and I just got some sour cream in the bowl and I mixed it up so it's soft, and I'm just gonna put, I don't know, some little dollops of sour cream on top before I add the cheese. Simple dinner tonight, guys. Here is our chili dip. Turned out really good. Chips with that. A little bit of chicken and veggies and dip. Super easy. All right, guys, so I didn't show you my plate, but I pretty much ate everything that was out for dinner except for the chips. I just had some wisps with the chili dip. It was really good. I ate lots of veggies and dip, and I ate some of the chicken. It's about 9:45 now. I'm getting ready to head up to bed. I'm gonna take my dog out for a quick walk and then go to bed. But I'm having a sugar craving. So I'm gonna have 2 of these Russell Stover mint patties. They are sugar-free, so you know what, it's might not be healthy. Some diehard keto people will probably have negative things to say about that, but those are what I use to get me through my sugar cravings. One of the things. I do some baking, but I don't have any right now and I'm too lazy to do it. So you know what, that's what I do. It got me through Halloween. I didn't have a single candy over Halloween other than a few of these. So I'm gonna have my little treat, gonna get myself a big old glass of ice water, and I'm gonna go climb into bed. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm pretty excited about the Christmas stuff I got. I'll do another video once I get all my Christmas stuff out so you can see how it all looks. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And I would love if you would subscribe to my channel down below. Help support this channel and stay on top of all the videos that I've got planned that will be coming out soon. So I hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon. Bye.